Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday the 28th of November 2016. So at last we're through the Thanksgiving celebrations where the market's just been sideways to higher, as I said it would be in the last Market Alert, but it will continue on to make new all-time highs, which we'll look at in just a moment. We can see on the open, the market moved up sharply, and this is the close of Friday, and then it has opened lower and moved down 50 points this morning, and now bounced back 50% of this move. So we can see that there's some activity returning to the markets. This is the Asian markets at the moment that are showing this activity. If we look at the daily chart, we can see all we've done is move up on absolutely nothing. Fresh air, market's been moving up, and now of course we've got a situation where the big players are back in the markets and they're taking profits. It's as simple as that. How much they decide to take, who knows? But we've got some activity. We've got a new all-time high as well at 19,167, nearly at the 19,200. And no doubt they're going to do their best to try and keep this market levitating until Yellen's decision on interest rates, which happens on the 14th of December. News-wise today, well, not a lot really. Draghi's out speaking, and in fact, he's out a lot this week. We just have a look at Forex Factory, just see what's coming out this week. You can see that they're sending Super Mario out on the 28th, which is today. And then we've got more central bankers in the week. We've got bank stress tests for the UK this week as well. And we've got Draghi out again on Wednesday. So that's twice he's out this week. And then the most important news item of the week, we've got the non-farm payroll figures out on Friday. And that's going to also add to whether Yellen increases interest rates on the 14th as well. But the market at the moment is looking as if it needs some sort of pullback. If we go back, just get rid of the news there. Now, the market's levitated to the upside. There is no buying. It's only because of the lack of traders, as I've said in the previous market alerts, that's allowed these prices to be pushed to the upside. We need a decent correction in this market before we can move higher. We need at least 20-25% pullback. Whether we get that now or in the new year, I would suspect it's the new year because of the decision on Yellen's rates. But as long as they increase the momentum in the day session, that will be fine by me. Increase the range from the poultry, just over 50 points we've had as the run up to Thanksgiving, to at least 120, 150. We'll have the momentum to just take money off the table as we did through September and October, which was fine. There was no problem. It was easy trading, and that's what I would like to see return, especially for those of you that are just coming on board as well. So going back to the volatility situation, 10.67, we've headed down towards that 10% area, and those of you know who've watched this for the last several years, this is a crucial area in the implied volatility for the market to indicate that it is likely to have a bit of a pullback. But that doesn't mean to say it's going to happen tomorrow. This is just to forewarn you. And also in the downtime that we've had from the markets, I'm busy working on this at the moment. I don't think I've actually ever written a manual or book or whatever about this, and I'm at the moment in the compiling stage, because this goes back all the way to 1994 when I first uncovered this. Traded it in the commodities and then couldn't get the data. It stopped from the company I used before, so now I just use this in the Dow. But it is the most accurate thing in forecasting a potential market move either to the upside or the downside. It will tell you when the downside move is over. I'm not going to go into the details because there is a video at the moment on the site about this, but like I say, at the moment the power of this is hard to convey, so that's why I'm at the moment currently compiling all of the last 25 years of data and information into a simple format. Keep it simple of how this can actually be used, and ultimately you can impress your friends with it because it just works. It's as simple as that. And having compiled new graphs and charts and everything else as well in a spreadsheet. It is amazing, going back over the last 10 years, how this actually called every major pullback in the market. So we're at that stage now, but it could come lower. Again, it doesn't pinpoint the day, but it alerts you, and then when you combine it with the underlying action in the daily chart and bring the two together, you will see how powerful it is. But it's not going to be ready obviously this week because I've only just started working on it, but I thought I'd let you know that it will be coming down the line at some point, hopefully by the new year. Right, so that's it for this morning. I will let you know if I see anything odd happening, but a bit of luck, we'll get some volatility today, and then get some decent moves after the last week and a half of the market just being sideways, waiting for events to occur. Right, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.